Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I am back now with a lot of new fashion items to present to you, and today I'm gonna start the day with my newest Gucci sneakers that I've recently ordered online, and they just arrived, so I will present them to you today. It's all about the new Gucci canvas GG sneakers. It comes in this beautiful red, dark red box, which I find very nice. And inside you find the dust bags. It's like 2 of them in an ivory color, and I don't know if you can see it, but on the dust bags there is also Gucci written, so it's very practical if you want to travel with the shoes or just put the shoes in your trolley, so those are a must. Then we have here the shoes inside. I will just show you one. So guys, those are the newest Gucci sneakers. I've got them in size 38 because this is my actual size, but I read on the internet that you will have to order them maybe one size bigger than you actually have because they fall a little bit bigger. Here you have the shoes from the front, so you see the colors are very Gucci like. We have the ivory sole here and the leather heel all around. You have the Gucci logo on the back, which I find super cool. Also, the highlight of this shoe is the Gucci canvas logo, which I really love because it's very Gucci-like and it's like typical the Gucci fashion style, which also suits to my other outfits from Gucci, because as you can see I love to be a Gucci girl, so those suits me very well. On the front you can see the typical Gucci colors, which are the green and the red color, which I find super cool, and also the laces are in a very fashionable ivory color, which you don't find very often. I find it super nice that they kept this shoe very light colored. You can suit it to almost every outfit, every color. You can wear it in so many styles. I will show you this a little bit later at the end of the video. So I am in love with this shoe, guys. Just take a look around. As for the price, I paid 950 euros, so it's quite a heavy price for a sneaker, but as it is from Gucci and as it has a lot of potential to wear it, I think it's worth the money. Also, I think I will wear this shoe very often with a lot of styles, especially with jeans. I like to wear my sneakers, so for me it's very practical. As I am out, I need to be sporty. I am a mom now and I really need a comfortable shoe to wear, and this is the one, guys. So I am in love with it. I hope you like it also. I bought it online at Breuninger. You can find it online. Maybe I will put you the link below to find the shoe, and I hope you also like it. I will show you the sole here. You can see it's in size 38, and also you have the Gucci logo on the sole. The sole is also kept very light, which I really like. All in all, the total, this shoe is a must-have for Gucci lovers or for people who really like to wear a comfortable shoe but also very fashionable and stylish. You can style it in so many ways, and now I will show you the other one too, so you can see both. So these are the pair, guys. You can take a look at everything. I really love the Gucci canvas. It's all around the shoe and I really think it's so fashionable. I will style it now and I will show you how they look on me. So guys, this is my Gucci outfit of the day with my newest Gucci sneakers in the GG canvas logo You can see it here. This is one of the softest sneaker I own until now. I really love this shoe, and I hope you like it also when I'm wearing it. So guys, if you like my video, please comment it, like it, and follow my channel.